Hi everyone, so my name is Rochelle Frost. I recently got QWO injections, and if you haven't heard about QWO injections, I'm going to explain what that is. That is a new injectable treatment for cellulite. So I know, like me, a lot of other women out there have issues with cellulite and they would like to take care of this issue. This is a quick, painless process. You come in, you get a consultation, you discuss the problem areas that you have issues with, and you get a series of 3 injections every 3 weeks. And you can expect to have a lot of bruising. Some people are different. From what I noticed, I got minimal bruising, but a lot of bruising is expected. It's not very painful because it's not from trauma. It's just from the space of being injected. I'm thrilled with my results. I love how quick and easy it was. It was painless as far as injections go. I don't know if anybody gets injections such as like fillers in their face or neck, but Botox or even like microneedling treatments I feel like are more painful. You don't need numbing. There's no downtime except for the bruising. So, and it's a total of about 3 months and then 6 months till results and all bruising and residual effects are completely gone. So if you're interested in QWO, come to Cosmoplastic Surgery, see Annika. She is amazing. She did my injections. I couldn't be more thrilled. Her technique is smooth and painless, and we'll take care of you from there. So give us a call, come in, and we'll take care of you. Have a good day, everybody.